Hello sales champions. Let me share a very important trick for closing the sale very fast. These days the information is available on the click of a button. This information is also available to your prospect. He will also do a lots of research on your product and on your company. But if you really want to close this deal as fast as possible, you need to do a thorough research on the customer's requirement, on his pains and problem, on his goals and desires, and also on his industry. And you have to ensure that you are actually staying ahead one step than your customer. If you do so, you will be able to create a very good pitch and you will be able to win the confidence of the prospect, and you will definitely be able to close the deal as fast as possible.